are gonna play this game. It's gonna be very hard because I struggle to see. Y'all won't understand, it's so hard without the editor. Oh no, I should run from that guy because he can literally eat me up. But not anymore though. Yeah, but I'm not gonna do anything I shouldn't. Don't do this, guys. I thought it's gonna be easy being a YouTuber. Guys, if you haven't already, go subscribe to my friend Fulton, okay? Okay, go subscribe to him. Shout out Fulton, I'm a big fan. Yeah. So watch my other videos. I also play Roblox sometimes. Come on, it's a flippin' ad. Let's not go. I don't even have Wi-Fi. How the... Whatever. Let's just... Bop. Hey, we are back. What? Bro, you ate a zombie. What did you do? Oh, I can't follow that one. He's pretty scary. I don't like the ocean. Not even in real life. I hate the ocean. Not for itself, but because of the stuff that is in it. This stuff was freaky. What? Did that thing just come on land? No, that ain't good. The heck? Oh, get over here. There we go. There we go. Bop. 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 How much I have? 2 minutes left. Oh no, but that's not gonna be a problem because I can still record. What? Stop saying that! I don't like that. And yeah, it's a guy in my chat. I wanna go live, but it's a guy here. Don't ever get me close to the ocean after that sound. I think they just discovered the bloop here. Nah, man, that's actually so creepy. That's why I hate the ocean. Like, I swear I heard the bloop, bloop, blah. No, I don't want to buy anything. But once again, shout out Fulton. I'm a very big fan. Yeah, Fulton, if you're watching this,